If you're really interested in what we've been doing for our textbooks for the Metaverse project, then enjoy our initial showcase of island features. For a fully interactive experience, our players get to navigate the island through a series of objectives. There are also multiple choice interactions to help move along the story. To explore the concept of leitmotif, the NPC disappears in a game of hide and seek. Look away now if you don't want to know where she's hiding. After jumping through a portal, the treasure hunt begins. Finding a leitmotif gets you a reward. And don't forget the ice cream. Now it's time for the player to discover how to make their own leitmotif. They find the music creator tools and discover how they work. Next, they can experiment with melodies and instruments by having a go. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see some future updates.